Welcome, fellow gastronomes, to an immersive voyage through the intricate and fragrant world of spices and herbs. In this expansive exploration, we will peel back the layers of these culinary marvels, discovering their vast benefits that extend beyond the kitchen. Join us on this culinary saga as we delve into the depths of flavors, health enhancements, cultural significance, and the boundless realms of creativity unlocked by cooking with spices and herbs. The essence of flavor. In the heart of the culinary universe, spices and herbs reign supreme, transforming dishes into masterpieces. Immerse yourself in the aromatic allure of cinnamon's warmth, the earthiness of thyme, and the exotic notes of cardamom. Each spice and herb contributes a unique hue to the canvas of flavors, turning every meal into a symphony for the senses. Health-boosting alchemy. Beyond their flavorful contributions, these culinary artisans are equipped with health-boosting properties. Journey through the intricate chemistry of spices and herbs, from turmeric's potent curcumin fighting inflammation to the cardiovascular prowess of garlic's allicin. Witness the alchemy that unfolds in your kitchen, where each pinch becomes a step toward holistic well-being. Balancing act. Reducing salt and sugar intake. In a culinary era where health consciousness prevails, spices and herbs emerge as ambassadors of balance. Explore the art of reducing salt and sugar without compromising on taste. Witness how a judicious blend of these natural enhancers not only preserves flavor integrity but also propels us toward healthier eating habits. Cultural chronicles on your plate. Embark on a culinary odyssey, traversing continents and epochs through the prism of spices and herbs. Experience the rich cultural tapestry woven into the culinary traditions of India's masalas, the herbaceous elegance of French finesse, and the aromatic symphonies of Middle Eastern spice blends. Your plate becomes a passport, inviting you to savor the diverse stories encapsulated in each culinary creation. Aromatherapy in the kitchen. As spices and herbs sizzle and dance in the kitchen, the air becomes an aromatic sanctuary. Explore the therapeutic effects of aromatherapy, where the fragrance of fresh basil, the warmth of cinnamon, and the pungency of ginger engage not just the taste buds but also the soul. Your kitchen transforms into a haven, where the mere act of cooking becomes a sensory journey. Versatility unleashed. Break free from culinary constraints and unleash your creativity with the unparalleled versatility of spices and herbs. From intricate rubs and flavorful marinades to aromatic infusions and delicate garnishes, these culinary companions invite you to experiment. Whether you're a culinary virtuoso or an aspiring home cook, the spice rack becomes your palette, and the kitchen, your canvas. In the grand crescendo of our culinary symphony, we stand at the intersection of tradition, innovation, and sheer culinary delight. Spices and herbs, once relegated to the periphery of cooking, emerge as catalysts for a culinary renaissance. As we conclude this epic journey, let the spice symphony echo in your kitchens, inspiring a perpetual quest for flavor, health, cultural exploration, and unbridled creativity. May your culinary endeavors forever be seasoned with the richness that spices and herbs bring, transcending the ordinary and elevating the act of cooking into an art form. The spice saga continues, and the adventure is yours to savor.